So now we will be moving forward with the last person for the evening. That is Vatsal Parik. Vatsal, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah. So Vatsal, he is a guitarist and he also writes some blogs. So not giving much of introduction about him. Handing over to Vatsal.
So, hello everyone. First of all, a very good evening and a big thanks to you, Bhavya, for letting us finally do something in this boring lockdown. So, my work basically around revolves around me playing a musical instrument, which I love from a very young age, and that happens to be guitar. I have been playing guitar since I was a little kid. I guess it was fifth standard when I started playing it, and the basic idea for me was to enroll myself into music because what I think is everyone loves music, right? Technically, music is something which heals everything. Music is around us everywhere. I don't remember going to a party where I didn't dance on music. And more than that, I just wanted to do something which makes me happy, also makes people around me happy. And I wanted to be a performer. So that's how I got into this music thing. Uh, and also, it's been around 7 to 8 months since I started posting things on the social media. After that, I got good response from people. They appreciated my work. So I thought that I shall continue it. And and after some time, I also enrolled myself into writing stuff. I was in contact with people who write a lot of stuff, one of them being Bhavya. So I try to write stuff in such a manner that people relate to the characters and it makes them into the story. They get connected with the story and they get into the character. And what I wanted to do is that end my story with something which is not predictable. I try to do things which are unpredictable with my story, and that's just what I do.
So again, the question is same as it was for Jai. What motivates you to write about the blogs that you do? Situations or people?
Uh, it's not like what the situation is or what the people are around me. It's basically what I am thinking at that moment. It's like I get any idea about writing a thing, even a short story, I pen it down. I pen it down quickly and I try to get more ideas from that.
Okay, okay. Uh, Vatsal, I would please request you to take out that earphone. Your voice is getting a bit dubbed. That's why.
Just a
If
moment.
it's convenient for you.
Yeah.
So, what was the first song that you learned on guitar? Vatsal?
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your video is off, I think so.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You are.
Okay.
What was the
So,
first
any
song that you
question?
learned on guitar?
The first song that I played on guitar, it was "Happy Birthday to You."
Okay.
But lately means since when I started posting things, it was "Bekhayali" from Kabir Singh.
Okay. So, whose birthday it was when you just played Happy Birthday?
It happened to be my birthday,
Okay, okay, okay. Great.
so it
So,
was like
anyone from.
I had to
Yes?
perform for myself.
Okay, okay, okay. So, anyone from the video call who would like to ask any question to Vatsal regarding guitar and his blogs? Nothing outer than that context.
Yes, I have a question.
Yeah, Yush.
Vatsal, you write blogs.
Yes.
Uh, is it based on? It's for unconditional love. I think I read that your all blogs.
Uh, See, the thing is that I told you I try to write things which relate to people. You must have read that
No, is
it was
it
just a short
imaginary?
story.
This is just I'm asking that. Is it your thinking?
Yeah, it's my imagination.
All kinds of images.
Okay, are you satisfied with the answer, Ayush?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. Any other person who would like to ask any question?
Another question.
Okay, another question.
Yes. What motivates you to write the blogs?
See, I started writing after coming in contact with people who write a lot of stuff. One being Bhavya and other people from my family. So they motivated me to write. I just one random day was sitting and thought of some ideas and tried to write something over them, and I got success in it, and people appreciated that stuff. So I thought, why not take it another step forward? So I started writing blogs using my imagination and short stories too.
Any upcoming plans for the blog?
Yeah, one incomplete story is there. I will like to finish it off quickly.
Okay, yeah. That the three parts are already out.
Yeah, three parts are out. One is left.
Yeah, I have read it all.
Yeah.
So, who's your favorite artist, Vatsal?
Favorite artist means I like everyone who plays good music. It just has to be good music.
Yeah, but specifically any person who inspires you to play guitar or just to go in the music field.
Arijit Singh.
Arijit Singh. Okay, great.
I just play his music all the time.
Yeah, I the best one is that Hawaii of yours.
Yeah,
For me, it's the best.
it is coming.
So, on your opinion, which is better, the simple guitar or the electric guitar?
Uh, See, simple is gonna be a better option because electric guitars are good, but it takes a lot of time and it's also a bit costly.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. And more than the money, it's about what people like.
No, but it's like that if you have means if you want to go for great music, which is a better option, simple guitar or electric guitar?
It depends on the person who is wanting to play it. Means if
Okay.
I get further opportunity, I won't switch to electronic guitar. I
Okay.
will keep my things down to the simple acoustic ones.
Oh, okay. Correct. So,
Yes.
okay, we have Manav Shah who want to ask a question. Manav, you can just turn on your
Okay.
video and audio to just ask. Please turn on your video if possible.
Okay. Yeah, it's possible. Hi, Vatsal.
Hi.
So my question is, since you play guitar, so have you ever played any romantic song for anyone other than your family?
Not for anyone, but in future
That is
I
going
will do
somewhat
it.
out of the context. You can just ask the name of the song that he has played, but not the name
Okay.
of the person.
Okay. So can you name the song?
See, all of my songs are romantic. I
But
won't
the
tell.
one which
Okay.
was dedicated.
Yeah, which was ready.
Vatsal, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah, the one which was dedicated. Just the name of the song.
Uh, Dedicated someone a song. It will be Ae Dil Hai Mushkil.
Okay, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil.
Thank you,
Correct.
Vatsal, for
Yes.
answering.
Sorry, but I have a question for Vatsal.
Yeah, sure.
So Vatsal, you write blogs, right? So can
Yes.
you relate your blogs in your real life?
No, that won't go to be completely true. But yes, certain events of my story sometimes get into my real life too.
Acha. So good. But I really appreciate your blogs. I read the fourth part is on its way, right?
Yeah, it's coming soon.
I have a
One more
question for you.
question. One more.
Okay.
No, Ayush was telling
Just a
you.
minute. I would like to give preference to Kenny first. The other guy can ask
Yes, thank you,
afterwards.
Bhavya.
Yeah.
So what's your hi?
Hi.
When you first started writing or playing guitar, who all were there to support you?
Pardon?
When you initially started writing, or when you played first song on your guitar, or when you posted it, so who were the ones who always supported you?
Always, my family and my friends were always there with me. They always supported me, and it was a brilliant support from them. Without them, I would not have been able to, get things as large as they are currently.
Okay.
Okay, very good.
Okay. Okay. So the next person, who was there?
Me, Ayush.
Ayush, you have already asked 2 questions, so we would like to give preference to someone else.
Oh, last one.
Okay, no problem.
Vatsal, what in your upcoming blog will be there any conclusive blogs or hidden truth, मतलब hidden meaning blogs?
See, whatever I has something hidden meaning in it, and it's gonna be some unpredictable stuff in my next parts too.
Uh,
So are you ending the story with that, or other parts are coming after part 4?
Uh, Maybe I guess part 5 will come too.
Okay, okay, correct. Any other question? Okay, so now we would beginning with the questions
I
that.
have one question for
Okay, okay,
Vatsal.
sure, sure, sure.
So Vatsal, what is the next song that is coming?
Next song, it's "See You Again" from Fast and Furious 7.
Okay.
Okay, I'm excited for that one.
Yeah.
Any more questions? So we have a couple of questions that we have received from Instagram story. It says that since when have you been playing guitar? Means what was your age when you first started playing the guitar?
I must have been 8 years
8
old.
years.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you been going for playing guitar in the assembly of Saint Kabir, or it's just for the personal thing?
No, I told I wanted to enroll myself into music somehow, and I have performed a couple of times in the school assembly too.
Okay. Great.
Yeah.
It was really a nice experience with you in the student council, I must tell.
Yeah. Same.
One last question that we would like to entertain for the evening is that do you see playing guitar as your active income or your passive income? So what it meant to say is that do you want to keep it as a passion in the future, or do you want to make it a profession?
No, I don't want to make it a profession. It's just
Okay.
gonna be my passion for music and my guitar.
Okay, great, great. Thank you. So one last time, I would like to ask if anyone wants to ask a question to Vatsal, this is the last opportunity.
Yes, I have to ask.
Okay.
So Vatsal, when are you playing song for your friends?
Uh, let's see when I will plan it surely.
So Kane is just requesting you to come again on Instagram live and share your playing live with us.
Yes.
Let's see when
Yeah.
people are available and when we are able to move out. I will surely like to do that again.
We are always available. We are just waiting for your song
Uh,
for your
Thank you so much.
friends.
Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Okay. Thank you, Kenny.
Yeah.
Okay. So before ending up over here, I would again like to request if anyone is entered afterwards or if anyone is still left, please give your name and your email ID in the chat box above so that we can contact you for any further meets that's happening over here. And before ending, I would like to play a song by Vatsal, and that's my favorite song, of course, Hawaii.